Hi, third graders, and welcome to Math Lesson 20 Fluency video. We only have this lesson and tomorrow's lesson, and then we are done with Module 1. I can't believe it. We've done just so good. I'm very, very proud of you. So for today's math lesson, it's our usual. You're going to need your yellow trimmed practice book and your blue trimmed learn book. So if you don't have those books nearby or at the ready, pause the video and grab them. All right, now that you have your materials, we're going to start in our practice book. All right, so in your practice book, we're going to be doing a sprint today. Woohoo, I know we love the sprints. We are going to be on page 45. We are in our practice book, page 45. We're going to be looking at skip counting by fives. You guys have been doing this for a long time since you first started school. So you're not really gonna fill in the blank here. You're gonna write your answer off to the side. So 0, 5, what would go in that blank? You're gonna write it over here, 10. Oops, I gave you your first answer. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start the timer. On your mark, get set, go. Thirty seconds remaining. All right, that was your minute. Okay, let's go over these answers. So I already gave you the first one, 10. So say yes and give yourself a check mark. 15, yes. 20, yes. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Remember, if I ever go too fast, you can pause the video to catch up. Now we're counting down. So we have 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Oh, now they're in the middle. We've got 5, 30, 10, 35, 15. These are a little challenging. Top of the second column, got 40, 20, 45. Ooh, now we're going down, 20, 45, 15, 30, 10, 35, 5, 30. Okay, we're also kind of going backwards here. 15, 40, 20, 45, 25, 50, 60, 55, 60, 65, 70. How do you do? At first, it seemed so easy for me, but then when they were in the middle and at the beginning, I kind of had to switch my mindset around. So count up how many you got correct and write it at the top. Maybe this time you got 18 correct. Okay, if you need to pause the video to do that, go ahead, but we're gonna start the second sprint right now. So turn to page 47, just the next page. You should see a B. We're doing lesson 20, sprint B, 3.1, sprint B. And it's the same type of thing. So think about the patterns you noticed in the first sprint and use those patterns to help you answer this sprint. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Thirty seconds remaining. Time is up. Let's go over the answers. 15, yes. 20, yes. 25, yes. Keep going with those yeses while I read. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now we're going, yes, now we're going down. 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Now in the middle, 5, 30, 10, 35, 15, 40. Top of the second column, 20, 40, 25. Now we're getting smaller, 20. Now we're getting bigger, 55, tricky. Now we're getting smaller, 15, 40, 10, 20, 5, 30, 20, 45, 25, 50, 15, 40. Now we're getting bigger, 55, 60, 65, getting smaller, 60, 65. All right, I used the patterns I noticed on the last one to help me with this one. It did help me a little bit, but some of them were pretty tricky. So count up how many you got right this time. Maybe I got 21 right on this time. I had 18 before, so 18, 19, 20, 21. So that's an increase and improvement of 3. So go ahead and calculate that. If you need to pause the video, you can pause the video to do that. Now we're going to jump into our blue trimmed Learn book, our Learn book. Oh, I flipped right to it. To page 121. As usual, I'm going to read this and I'm going to have you pause the video so you can answer the question on your own, and then we'll go over the answer. As soon as I see colors here, it might be beneficial for you to have some crayons or markers to use to answer this question. Red, orange, and blue scarves are on sale for $4 each. Nina buys 2 scarves of each color. How much does she spend altogether? So this is a two-step word problem. First, we need to figure out how many scarves there are. Then we have to figure out how much money she spent. So it might be helpful if you use some crayons or markers to help you. Pause the video and I want you to try this on your own. Okay, now that you've tried it on your own, hopefully, I'm gonna go over the answer. So I know that Nina buys 2 scarves of each color. That means she gets 2 red scarves, 2 orange scarves, and 2 blue scarves. So looking at that picture, sorry, put my crayons back to stay organized. I can see that Nina bought 6 scarves. But I want to know how much she spent, how much money. Oh, right here, they're each $4. So that's $4, $4, $4, $4, $4, $4, $4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That means that she spent, so that's money, she spent $24. Now, if you have another picture and you still got the right answer, keep that picture. If you got a different answer, take the time to draw this out. If you need to pause the video to do that, you can. All right, going to the bottom, remember we want to answer this question first. How much does she spend altogether? She, meaning Nina, spends $24 altogether. And the most famous part, I know this because and I'm going to lay it off here. When we come back, I'm going to be taking a peek at this, and I want to know, how would you finish that sentence? What did we do up here? What were the 2 steps we took up here to figure out that she spent $24? So use your words with a period. Try to use some math words in there, like skip counting, to write out the rest of that sentence. All right. Thanks for sticking with me. I'll see you later. Bye.